we could do when we think about the president. How did he become the president? Oh. And I stayed awake for a day or two, and I thought about the world, drank gin and watched the news. And there are some things I'll never understand. Why a country needs a God and a woman needs a man. And you never write me letters, and you never send my sweaters, so I could stay warm when I was without you. Without you I don't sleep, I just dream. And I scratched these words into a black notebook, and I wrote your name up top, cause I knew you'd never look. And I tried my best to fight the atmosphere, to think of your thoughts, to leave the phone lines clear. I see Arizona stars from here, but Peter Pan, you're miles away. And you never write me letters, and you never send my sweater, so I could stay warm when I was without you. Without you I don't have a place that's safe from all the monsters that hide in my head and sing me to sleep. Sleep, this is the last straw. This is the last straw, she said. I won't wait for you forever, while you run around like JFK. Watch that poor girl waste the best years of her life. And I'll be damned if I am going out. I will not go out that way. And you never write me letters, and you never send my sweater, so you could stay warm when I was gone. Without you I don't have a place that's safe from all the monsters that hide in my head and keep me till dawn. I think this is the last straw. Okay, I'm gonna stick with the free association, but instead of the word last, it's gonna be the word straw. This is like when you write hundreds of songs, you can do this shit. This is I'm gonna dedicate this one to one of my closest musical brothers. Truthfully, like my heart in music in so many ways. Like we found each other in Mr. and Billy's Spanish class, and I just overheard the popular kid talking about how he got a drum set for Christmas, and I was like, that's the guy I gotta have in my band, because I'm not popular, and maybe if he's in my band, I can be popular too. And then we started a band and toured around the world together, and he happens to live in Austin, Texas, and we happen to have like fired up our old band again. So to Brian Ireland from Something Corporate, this one is for you, brother. There he is. Look, you don't have to join me on stage, but for your drum solo between verse 1A and B, you could just come up here and just like tap it out on the piano. I'm just saying. They do it anyway. You don't have to do it. It's gonna be embarrassing. Don't. It was a bad idea, but you could if you want. It's all right. It's your choice. Staring into the intersection, she thinks that she can fly, and she might. Holding on in a new direction, she's gonna try tonight. Just hide behind that tree. There's trees here for a reason, Brian. The closer I get to feeling, the further that I'm feeling from alright. The more I step into the sun, the more I step out of the light. Jessica's covered in a blanket. When I dreaming a weekend, she would party in the city. She doesn't have a flame. I'm so tempted to do it myself every time I play this acoustic, and I'm just glad to have the original drummer here to pull it off for us. Burn out like a torch. She gets nowhere in life. At least she knows she's pretty. She says, hey. Hey now, there's chemicals in the clouds. Hey now, they're calling all the police, but they won't get to us anyhow. What are you guys up to over there? I see you. Just come. I mean, you might as well at this point. The moon is shining now, and shadows are what's left. Simple silhouettes and cutouts, as if we had the choice. He listens closely now. Here, let me help you out. This is full service, Brian. He swears that he can hear a voice that's calling him, saying, hey, now. The straw dogs out in the street. Hey now, there's chemicals in the clouds. Hey now, they're calling all the police, but they won't get to us anyhow. What does it take to be a superhero in my world? Make no mistake, these villains always get the girl who can escape. Skate away from all of this, but no one ever does. She's saying, hey, the straw dogs. Hey now, there's chemicals in the clouds. Hey now, they're calling all the police, but they won't get to us. No, they'll never get to us. Hey now, the straw dog is out in the street. Hey now, there's chemicals in the clouds. They're calling all the police, but they won't get to us. Alright, Brian Barber, so here we go. He doesn't realize how big a mistake he's made because it's going to happen again tonight. Okay, I know we're good. We're good on time.